Welcome to Civil Learning Solutions Help videos. In this video, we'll go over our latest update on version 1.147. We've added some data shortcut commands. So for this example here, I have an engineering project and I've noticed that I just opened it, it's pointing to the wrong data shortcuts. So if we go to our CCLS Tools, under Data Shortcut, there is a Set Data Shortcut button. All I have to do is click it. It's going to look for my shortcut folder. And now if I go look at it now, I've noticed that it's actually set the correct folder for this project. So if I switch over to a different project now, notice here it's pointing back to the previous work folder for the previous project. So if I come back and say set DS for data shortcuts, give it a few seconds, it's going to look for that shortcut folder in my project folders. And there we go. Now it is set. Now, when I'm going back and forth between different projects, all I have to do is click the DS toggle, and it'll switch the working folder. Clicked it. It's now set back to my, basically this car wash project I have here. And if I go back over here to this one, and click the DS toggle button, it's going to switch that data shortcut working folder. If I look at it now, dragged it over, you can see it's Oakmont Village. Same thing, if I go back and forth now, again, I can just hit the toggle button. Now, how is that working? There is one little thing you have to do in order for this to work correctly. In my root folder that has my CAD files here, the shortcut folder is in the same location as my CAD files, and that's what it's actually doing. It's looking in that root folder, so it locates the CAD file and then looks for the data shortcut folder, and then it syncs the links. Now there is two more tools. So if I open up here a new drawing, I am able to grab the shortcuts references and bring it right into our drawing. So in here under data shortcuts, I can say create data shortcuts or reference data shortcuts. I'll click the reference. And if I do zoom extents, there we go. I basically just grabbed everything that was in the shortcuts and brought it into a brand new drawing or maybe another design project. So in our next update, we'll try to make a checkbox. That way you can check which items you want to bring in at the same time simultaneously. The other one is the create data shortcut. Basically, you'll come in here, open new project, start working on it, and then you'll set the data shortcuts. Then you can click the button here that says create data shortcuts, and it'll look into your CAD file, look for alignments, alignments, type networks, pressure networks, corridors, and it'll bring it right into your data shortcuts all at one time. You don't have to click it one by one. You can actually add everything you see in the CAD file into your data shortcuts folder. So this is just one of our latest updates to our CCLS Productivity Tools. Thank you for watching and enjoy using our apps.